Science is fun. Science is like magic, but real. You can do amazing things with everyday stuff. Let's be scientists and try some cool experiments. Rainbow in a jar. Can you make a rainbow in a jar? Yes, you can. You will need honey, corn syrup, washing up liquid, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol, food coloring, and a tall glass or jar. Let's get started. First, pour honey into the glass. Be careful not to touch the sides. Next, mix corn syrup with red food coloring and pour it slowly over the honey. Add a layer of blue washing up liquid. Then, gently pour water on top. After that, add a layer of yellow vegetable oil. Finally, mix rubbing alcohol with purple food coloring and pour it slowly on top. Wow, look at the rainbow. It's like magic, but it's science. The science behind it is that each liquid has a different density. Denser liquids sink to the bottom and lighter liquids float on top. That's why the liquids make layers. The magic inflating balloon. Can you inflate a balloon without blowing? Let's see. You will need an empty bottle, a balloon, baking soda, and vinegar. Let's get started. First, pour some vinegar into the bottle. Then, use a funnel to pour baking soda into the balloon. Carefully stretch the balloon over the bottle opening. Now lift the balloon so the baking soda falls into the vinegar. Look, the balloon is inflating. The science behind it is that when baking soda mixes with vinegar, it creates a gas called carbon dioxide. This gas fills the balloon and makes it bigger. Invisible ink. Want to be a secret agent? Let's make invisible ink. You will need lemon juice, a cotton bud, white paper, and a heat source like a light bulb. Let's get started. First, dip the cotton bud in lemon juice. Then, write a secret message on the paper. Let the paper dry completely. Your message will disappear. To reveal your message, hold the paper close to a light bulb. Look, your secret message appears. The science behind it, lemon juice is acidic. When it heats up, it oxidizes and turns brown, making your message visible. Dancing raisins. Let's make some raisins dance. You will need a clear glass, water, raisins, and a clear fizzy drink. Let's get started. First, fill the glass with the fizzy drink. Then, drop a few raisins into the glass. Observe the raisins carefully. Look, the raisins are dancing. The science behind it, the bubbles in the fizzy drink cling to the raisins, making them float. When the bubbles pop, the raisins sink back down. The power of soap. Let's see the power of soap in action. You will need a plate, water, ground black pepper, and washing up liquid. Let's get started. First, pour some water onto the plate, then, sprinkle some ground black pepper onto the water's surface. Next, dip a finger in the washing up liquid. Finally, touch the surface of the water with your soapy finger. Wow! The pepper moves away from the soap. The science behind it? Soap breaks the surface tension of water. When you touch the water with soap, the surface tension changes, causing the pepper to spread out. More fun science awaits. Science is all around us. Keep exploring, asking questions, and trying new experiments. You are a scientist, and the possibilities are endless.